So we have picked 5 top OTT releases that you can binge watch this weekend. There are films, there are series. Check it out. The first one is Dil Dosti Dilemma. It's releasing on 25th April on Prime Video. It stars Anushka Sen as Asmara, and it's really a story about self-discovery where she's punished and she's sent to this very conservative traditional home of her grandparents.
Okay.
And obviously she doesn't want to be there and she doesn't want her friends to know that she's there, so she pretends that she's in Canada. But because of her struggles and all of that, she learns a lot of new life lessons. So I think this would be really, very relatable to a lot of young people, probably in their 20s and stuff around Anushka Sen's age. And it's something worth checking out.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel I would love to be at my grandparents' place at any given point.
She clearly doesn't like it, but I guess she begins to like it later. So if you want to check out a story about self-discovery, check out Prime Video on 25th April.
Also, there's Ranneeti, Balakot and Beyond. It stars Jimmy Shergill and Lara Dutta after a really long time. This is basically about the Balakot airstrikes post the horrific Pulwama attacks, and Kashyap and his team have to strike back at any cost. This is basically the storyline, and they need to retrieve their pilot who has been captured by Pakistan, and also battle all the false information that Pakistan is spreading via global media.
Oh, interesting tangent.
Yes, and it premieres on Jio Cinema on the 25th of April. So do check it out.
It's going to be interesting. We actually recently had a chat with Santosh Singh, the director of this series. Check it out.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम संतोष सिंह है। मैं रणनीति बालाकोट और बियॉन्ड का डायरेक्टर हूँ। रणनीति एक जियोपॉलिटिकल एक्शन ड्रामा है जो रियल लाइफ इवेंट से इंस्पायर्ड है। इवेंट्स दोज डिफाइन इंडिया एज अ कंट्री that cannot be messed around with. The USP of Ranneeti is that it focuses on the hybrid warfare, the war of narrative and the war of perception. Today the wars are fought on internet through your social media, news and international news media. With the power-packed performances of Jimmy Shergill, Lara Dutta, Ashutosh Rana and Ashish Vidyarthi, let me tell you, you are in for a treat. Ranneeti is streaming on Jio Cinema. आप देखिएगा जरूर। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आपको ये पसंद आएगी। Thank you.
Thank you, good night. The Bon Jovi story is releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar on 26th of April. It is a 4-part docu-series about Bon Jovi's life. It's got actual images, music, clips from his shows and stuff like that. Rumi is really interested in this conversation. She was really into Bon Jovi like all the 90s kids. When we were growing up in the 90s, there was absolutely no chance that you don't have a strong nostalgia and connect with that song, It's My Life.
Correct. I think that video is like graphically etched in your mind.
Exactly.
Because it used to come on B4U, right? And as kids, we used to come back from school, and the only thing we used to do is switch the TV on and wait for that particular music video to play every time.
It's a great story of the evolution and the birth of rock and roll, and the band's journey from New Jersey to global fame. And I think it's definitely going to be something worth checking out.
Absolutely. I think John Bon Jovi is love. Then there's Tillu Square that's coming out on the 25th of April on Netflix. It is basically a sequel to DJ Tillu, and it is a romantic crime comedy.
It's not Tillu, it's Tillu. Tillu, guys.
Tillu, okay.
DJ Tillu sounds too cool.
I mean, yeah, come on, let's make it sound a little cool. But it's a Telugu rom-com, which is also a crime drama. So
it's a romantic crime comedy.
Yeah, I mean,
there are 3 genres in one.
सब एक में packed है basically.
Yeah.
And it's how basically DJ Tillu is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and take notes, guys. It's how he is on a quest to find the love of his life, Lily Joseph, but comes across a very mysterious sort of a murder, and it's actually played by Sidhu.
Oh,
yeah,
interesting. The actor, the Telugu actor. Sidhu.
Yeah. Also, there's Crack. Jeetega to Jiega. It is releasing on the 25th of April on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Oh, the movie, it just came out in theatres a couple of months back.
Right, yes.
Okay.
And it stars Arjun Rampal, Amy Jackson and Nora Fatehi.
There's also Vidyu Jamwal in it. I think he's one of the important roles.
He's
so
the
don't forget
highlight. But yeah, it's the first ever extreme sport action film to
Yeah, I've
have
heard
released,
it's a very
yeah.
different plot. Like it's based on an extreme sports game or something like
Right,
that. And Jeetega to Jiyega is the theme behind the movie. It didn't
Correct.
do very well in the theaters though, but maybe for OTT it's a good watch.
Right. It's about how they find out this boy from the slums of Mumbai wants to make it big, and then he gets introduced to the underground sports that happen.
Hold on, is this Slumdog Millionaire?
Or is this that movie called Luck?
Oh yeah, oh my god. देखना पड़ेगा अभी.
देख के बताइएगा आपको क्या लगा.
Yeah, if you watch Crack and if you're going to watch it this weekend, do tell us in the comments what you thought.
You might just get featured.